Giraffe doesn't officially support merging accounts, and most merge issues happen when two logins are accidentally treated as separate profiles tied to different Google or Apple IDs. That's why rewards, progress, or balances look split or missing. By the end, you'll know how to fix Giraffe account merge problems by identifying the correct account, recovering missing progress, and stopping the app from splitting your data again. First thing to understand is how Giraffe handles accounts. Your progress is tied to a single login method, not just your email. If you used Google on one device and Apple or another Google account on a second device, the app sees them as two completely separate accounts. Start by checking every login method you've used. Open the app and try logging out, then sign back in using Google, Apple, or email if available. One of these will usually show your original balance and progress. If you find two accounts, don't try to combine them. Instead, pick the account with the correct or highest progress and stick to that one. The other account becomes inactive because reward apps like this don't allow cross-account merging for security and fraud prevention reasons. Next, make sure your device isn't auto-switching accounts. On Android, check your Google account settings and remove any secondary accounts you don't use for Giraffe. On iPhone, confirm your Apple ID login is consistent across App Store and system settings. If your progress still looks missing, reinstall the app after confirming the correct login method. This forces the app to rebuild your profile data from the server, instead of pulling cached local information that may be tied to the wrong account. Also check whether you're using a VPN or private DNS. These can sometimes route your login requests through different regions, causing the app to create a fresh account instead of loading your original one. The most important fix is consistency. Once you confirm the correct login, always use the same method every time you open the app. Switching between login options is the main reason Giraffe accounts appear duplicated or split. Giraffe account merge problems usually aren't true merges at all. They're login mismatches caused by multiple sign-in methods, and fixing the correct account connection solves it in most cases. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fixes for Giraffe account and reward app issues.